You gotta get this. If you got a Mk6 GTI or Mk6, get the whole kit. It feels so much better.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.
What's good? It's your boy GK. We are back with another video. What we got rocking today is your boy's gonna do a review of the Stage 2 stress bar from ECS Tuning. Let's take a look at it first before we take it for a ride. Alright, so right here, your boy has the inner rear stress bar from ECS Tuning. So we got Stage 1 running across the top, and then we have Stage 2 with these X bars coming down. This thing is going to be sweet. I can't wait to take it for a ride, see what it's feeling like, give you first impressions and just a quick review of what I think of this Stage 2 stress bar. Let's hit the road.
Okay, first thing that I noticed was I feel like the shifting feels a bit smoother. That could just be due to temperature outside and things like that, but the shifting just feels so on point right now. And I'm not sure if that's helping. I noticed a little bit when I put the Stage 1 in, but now I feel like I'm noticing a bit more with the Stage 2, so I feel like that can't just be a coincidence. Next up, coming around turns, oh my gosh, this thing is so much stiffer now. Like the whole top end just feels so solid. I feel like the bottom end just needs some work now. If you're gonna buy this kit and you feel like you have the money to spend and you can spend and buy the Stage 2, buy the Stage 2. Get the Stage 1 and the Stage 2 all as one set. You're gonna notice the biggest difference when you do that. I would say it gives you just so much more confidence when you're turning. It's honestly unreal. It could be scary at sometimes. Because you're like, there's no way I could take this turn at this. But then you just feel so confident when you're going through it. You just push the power coming right out of the turn. Plus that thing looks sweet back there. All right, let's check it out. Let's see. Long sweeping turns. Oh my gosh, so solid. It's crazy. You gotta get this. If you got a Mk6 GTI or Mk6, get the whole kit. It feels so much better. You just feel so much more connected with the road. Ease up here, we got a couple deers. Like that, oh man. I felt like the rear end came around a bit faster that time compared to before. And with that rear end sort of sweeping around and reducing that understeer for some reason, I feel like you can just hit it coming right out of turn because you're already pointed the way you want to go. This thing feels good. Let's see here. Whew. Coming around that turn, man, that feels good. This is a must-have. This is a must-have. Get you one of these. Let's see here. We got a sweeping turn. Oh. Shit. And it just keeps you in it. I feel like the biggest limiting factor right now are tires. I am on the winter tires right now, so I can't even really push it. But man, you can really get into it with this now.
All right, gang, so we now back at the crib. We done wrapped it up, took it for a test drive, saw what it felt like. Honestly, this thing is amazing. This Stage 2 kit is so much better than the Stage 1 kit. Plus, on top of that, if you just wanted to go ghost and you don't even want people to see it, you go ahead and put your cover back on here, put some stuff in the trunk, and it's gone. It disappears. Doesn't really take up a lot of cargo space. This thing is amazing. Would I recommend you buy this? Yes, definite yes. Would I recommend you get the Stage 2 instead of the Stage 1, or just buy the full kit all at once? Yes, if you can afford it, get the Stage 2 kit. Just go all the way out. Stage 1, you felt some changes. Once I went Stage 2, I could feel so much more of a difference. So I definitely recommend it. However, if you aren't working with the funds, definitely work with the Stage 1, then move up to the Stage 2. This kit, honestly, is a definite yes from me. Make sure you cop this thing. Anyways, it's your boy. We signing out. Make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button down below. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough.